Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be talking about analyzing points of view in literature. Now, we're going to hit three main points of view. They are first person, third person limited, and third person omniscient. So we'll start with first person. Now, first person is basically the most basic one. In first person, I am standing at the front of the room. I am telling you exactly what I am doing. The most common used words are I, we, me. Basically, the main character is telling you what they are thinking, feeling, or doing. Now, for third person limited, this is a narrator. If a narrator is talking about me, they may just say, Kelsey is standing at the front of the room. The only thing they can tell you is facts. They can't give you any emotion, no thoughts. So, facts without emotion. The third person limited only knows exactly what's going on. They know as much as the reader knows, or as much as the character knows, no more, no less. Now, third person omniscient is an all-knowing narrator. The omniscient narrator can tell you what's going to happen later, what the character is thinking, what the character is feeling. So the omniscient knows thoughts, emotion, and plot. So those are the key points. The first person is self. It's being told to you exactly how it's happening by the person experiencing it. Third person limited are the facts with nothing else. This is what's going on. Third person omniscient is all-knowing. They can tell you anything that is going on in the story. Now we're going to go over a couple of examples. I'm going to read a sentence or two, and then we are going to decide together whether they're first person, third person limited, or third person omniscient. Now, I walked into my room and looked around at all my things. The pictures are gone from the wall, and the room no longer looks like it belongs to me. My mom came and wrapped her arm around me. I can see the tears in her eyes, but I'm not going to say anything. Today is the day I'm leaving for college. Now, what point of view is that? That's right, it is first person because this character is telling you exactly what they're doing. I'm leaving for college. I'm looking around the room. Now, the next example. Woody looked at Buzz once Andy and his mom left the room. They can tell that something is up. They have been placed into boxes and some of the broken toys have been thrown in the trash. But what Woody and Buzz don't know is that they are going to be donated today. They are starting to get nervous because they're unsure of what's happening. Now, what kind of narrator is that? That's right, very good. It's omniscient because the narrator is telling you how they are feeling. The narrator told you that they were nervous. The narrator was also able to tell you something that's going to happen in the future. They were able to tell you that today was moving day, or that they were being donated. Buzz and Woody hopped out of the moving box, climbed the desk to the window to watch the sunset. Buzz says to Woody, "So it's moving day." Now, you can tell that this one's third person limited because they only told you what was happening. They told you Buzz and Woody were going up to watch, they climbed the box and then watched the sunset. They didn't tell you, they decided to watch their last sunset because they're feeling reminiscent, They just tell you they're watching the sunset. Come in, Space Command. This is Buzz Lightyear. I have crash landed on a strange planet and I'm requesting backup. Which one is that? Very good. First person again. He is Buzz Lightyear. He told you what happened to him. He told you that he crash landed. Now, this last example, Buzz is climbing up to the top of the stair railing. He plans to jump because he thinks that he is really a space ranger. But what Buzz doesn't understand is that he is just a toy. If he jumps, he will crash land. That's right, omniscient, because they're saying that if he jumps, he will crash, that he doesn't understand that he's just a toy. It's kind of taking you through his thought process. All right, now is your chance to come up with a couple examples of your own, and then we'll go over them after class, at the end of class.